Heather Whitehead.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Norman. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, turn your notification on. And comment below what you want to see. Anyways, I got a special guest with me today. This is Miss Jackie.
Hi.
She goes to church with me. Anyways, we're here because we're trying a taste test. This one is called Pink Lemonade Kit Kat. Disgusting sounding, I know. But, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's pink.
That's what it said.
I didn't want that much.
That's
You
what it looks
smell it?
like, y'all. Alright, you ready?
Oh gosh, yeah.
3, 2, 1. No, you can taste the lemon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to get, I'm gonna give it a 6.
I'd say maybe a 7. It's not too bad. Not as bad as what I thought it was going to be.
Anyways, well, y'all go out and try it and comment what y'all think of it. For me, it's not something I'll buy every day.
No. I'd stick with the regular Kit Kat.
Alright, y'all. That's all. Peace.